Okay, let's start today in our student remote lab system again. And let's go back and forth between Excel, text data, and then also SPSS data. One thing that I would recommend is opening an Excel spreadsheet and putting all of the data from your surveys into this Excel spreadsheet. And hopefully Excel is somewhat familiar to you. If not, let me know. We can put some Excel tutorials up on the website also. So let's pretend like I've already filled out this Excel spreadsheet. I did it on my laptop and I emailed it to myself in my UW email, if you remember, as an attachment. And then I've downloaded that attachment right onto my UW desktop. Here is my Excel data. I'm going to get into this data and actually save it as a new file. I'm going to save this as a text file. So here I come down here and I am allowed to pick this tab delimited text as one of the formats that I can save my Excel data. I click on tab delimited and I tell Excel that I would like to save this depress data as tab delimited. Now it's worried, it says I may lose some features, but I'm going to click yes because this is what I want to do. Okay, so Excel is saving this data. I'm going to go ahead and close it out now. And I do want to save these changes. I've got it here on my desktop and I'm good to go. Sometimes you have to go through this process a couple times. Here it is. Here's my Excel data now as a text document. Next thing I'm going to do is open SPSS in my programs. Here we go. Now with SPSS, I can tell it to import my text data. This can save you so much time. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and choose this type in data option. But the file that I want it to read is actually text data. So I clicked under File on Read Text Data. I'm going to go to my desktop and find, here's my desktop. And here is that data that I just saved as a text file. Okay? And I am going to tell SPSS that I would like this to be opened. It's delimited. There are variable names on the top of my file, so here's one option I've got to change to yes. Okay, I want all of the cases. Do you see down here in the preview window? It's looking pretty good. This is what I want. I can click next, next, and I should be finished. Ta-da! And here's my final product. Here I am in the variable view. SPSS has come in and created a variable for each one of those names at the top of my Excel spreadsheet. Now some of these will need some changing perhaps. For me, I'm okay. They're all numeric. The width is okay, but I'll want to get in here, of course, and specify values. Oh, maybe a 1 means white because this is my race. Oh, it would help if I could spell. Okay, so I might add that into my labels, and I might go in here and tell, give a stronger label to this. Participants were asked their race, something like this. I've got to come in here. Well, this is a nominal variable, so I'm good with that. But I happen to know that control, for example, is a scale variable, so I'm going to change that. So after you import, you will have to make a few corrections and changes, but in general, your spreadsheet's ready to go. Look at my data. It's imported everything from that Excel spreadsheet in the matter of minutes. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to make graphs, to analyze, to do whatever I need to do now in SPSS. I love this feature. And likewise, I can go backwards. I can save this SPSS file as, here I save as an Excel spreadsheet. So if I go through and I make some corrections to my data in SPSS, I can save it again as Excel. I can then send it to myself and work with it again without having to be in the remote lab system. Have fun with this. Hopefully this will save you some time in your work.